Why is skincare so important for men? Is it just another vanity fad, or is there more to it? The truth is, healthy skin is a reflection of overall wellness. It's about looking good and feeling great at the same time. And today we're going to delve into a simple home remedy that can give your skin a healthy, radiant glow. Imagine having a skincare routine that doesn't require a plethora of products, a routine that is as natural as it gets. This remedy is a 3-step process that involves natural ingredients, which you can easily find in your kitchen. Firstly, it's time to exfoliate. Exfoliation removes dead skin cells, leaving your skin clean and ready for the next steps. For this, you'll need oatmeal and honey. Mix 2 tablespoons of ground oatmeal with a tablespoon of honey. Apply this mixture to your face and gently rub in a circular motion for about 2 minutes. Rinse with warm water. Now that your skin is clean, it's time for the second step, toning. Toning helps to tighten your pores and balance the pH levels of your skin. For this, you'll need apple cider vinegar and water. Mix 1 part apple cider vinegar with 2 parts water. Apply this solution to your face using a cotton ball. Leave it on for about 5 minutes and then rinse with cold water. The final step is moisturizing. Moisturizing helps to hydrate your skin and keep it soft and supple. For this, you'll need aloe vera gel. Apply a thin layer of aloe vera gel to your face. Leave it on overnight for the best results. So to summarize the steps of this home remedy, start by exfoliating your face using a mixture of ground oatmeal and honey. This helps to remove dead skin cells and clean your skin. Then, tone your skin using a solution of apple cider vinegar and water. This helps to tighten your pores and balance the pH levels of your skin. Finally, moisturize your skin using aloe vera gel. This helps to hydrate your skin and give it a soft and supple look. This remedy is not just about improving your appearance, it's about taking care of your skin, which is the largest organ in your body. It's about giving your skin the nourishment it needs. And the best part, it's all natural. So why not give it a try?